In a world saturated with synthetic chemicals, our skin often bears the brunt of harsh ingredients. Many conventional skincare products are loaded with toxins that can disrupt our hormones, irritate our skin, and even lead to long-term health concerns. It's time to ditch the chemicals and embrace the power of natural skincare. Natural skincare products are derived from plants, minerals, and other natural sources. They are free from harmful chemicals, artificial fragrances, and synthetic dyes. Choosing natural skincare is not just about achieving a radiant complexion. It's about nourishing your body from the outside in. When you switch to natural products, you'll notice a difference in how your skin feels: softer, smoother, and healthier. But the benefits go beyond the surface. Natural ingredients are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that penetrate deep into your skin to promote cell regeneration and protect against environmental damage. It's time to make a conscious choice for your health and the health of our planet. Embrace the natural glow and experience the transformative power of nature's finest ingredients. Let's talk about a product we use every day: deodorant. Conventional deodorants often contain aluminum, parabens, and other harmful chemicals that can disrupt our body's natural detoxification process. There's a better way to stay fresh and confident without compromising your health: natural deodorant. One of the most effective natural deodorant recipes includes a blend of coconut oil, baking soda, and tea tree oil. Coconut oil possesses antibacterial properties that help neutralize odor-causing bacteria, while baking soda absorbs wetness and keeps you feeling dry. Tea tree oil, known for its potent antiseptic properties, provides an extra layer of protection against odor. This simple yet powerful combination not only keeps you smelling fresh, but also reduces the risk of exposure to potentially harmful chemicals. Studies have linked aluminum compounds commonly found in antiperspirants to an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease and breast cancer. By choosing a natural deodorant, you can make a positive change for your overall well-being. For centuries, castor oil has been revered for its therapeutic properties. This thick, pale yellow oil, extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, is a powerhouse of nutrients that can work wonders for your skin. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. When applied topically, castor oil penetrates deep into the skin, where it helps to reduce inflammation, combat acne, and promote collagen production. This makes castor oil an excellent natural remedy for a variety of skin concerns, including eczema, psoriasis, and signs of aging. Its soothing properties help to calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and alleviate itching. Regular use of castor oil can help to diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, leaving your skin looking youthful and radiant. Raw honey, a golden nectar produced by bees, is not just a delicious sweetener but also a potent skincare ingredient. Packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and antibacterial properties, raw honey gently cleanses, nourishes, and revitalizes your skin. Unlike harsh soaps that can strip your skin of its natural oils, raw honey acts as a natural humectant, attracting and retaining moisture. Its antibacterial properties help to keep acne at bay, while its antioxidants protect against environmental damage. To use raw honey as a cleanser, simply massage a small amount onto damp skin and rinse off with warm water. You can also create a nourishing face mask by combining raw honey with other natural ingredients like yogurt, avocado, or oatmeal. Section 5. Exfoliate and rejuvenate: the magic of coffee scrubs. Coffee is not just a morning pick-me-up. It's also an excellent natural exfoliant that can revitalize your skin. Coffee grounds contain caffeine and antioxidants that offer numerous benefits when applied topically. Caffeine helps to stimulate blood flow, reducing inflammation and puffiness. The antioxidants in coffee protect against free radical damage, which can lead to premature aging. Coffee scrubs are also effective in reducing the appearance of cellulite and stretch marks. You can easily make your own coffee scrub at home using used coffee grounds, coconut oil, and a natural sweetener like brown sugar. Gently massage the scrub onto your skin in circular motions, then rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel incredibly soft, smooth, and invigorated. Section 6. Hydration from within. Embrace coconut oil. Coconut oil is a versatile multitasker that deserves a place in your natural skincare routine. Extracted from the meat of mature coconuts, coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid with potent antimicrobial and moisturizing properties. Lauric acid is easily absorbed by the skin, where it helps to strengthen the skin barrier and lock in moisture. Coconut oil also contains antioxidants that protect against environmental damage and premature aging. You can use coconut oil as a natural moisturizer, makeup remover, or even a hair mask. Its lightweight texture makes it suitable for all skin types, even oily skin. Section 7. A symphony of natural goodness. Embracing a holistic approach. Transitioning to natural skincare is not just about swapping out a few products. It's about embracing a holistic approach to health and wellness. What you put on your body is just as important as what you put in it. Nourish your body from the inside out by eating a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Manage stress through exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. When you prioritize your overall well-being, it shows in your skin. Section 8. Discover your natural radiance. Explore Murphy's Pantry. Ready to unlock the power of natural skincare? Explore Murphy's Pantry, your one-stop shop for all things natural and organic. We offer a wide selection of high-quality, ethically sourced skincare products that are good for you and good for the planet. Our team is passionate about helping you achieve your skincare goals naturally and sustainably. Visit our website or stop by our store today to discover your natural radiance.